Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to set a color as a wallpaper in Telegram. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside Telegram, find the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on them to access the main menu. Step 3. From the menu options, look for and tap on Settings. This will take you to the Telegram settings page. Step 4. Inside the settings page, scroll down and tap on Chat Settings. This will open the Chat Settings menu. Step 5. Within the Chat Settings, tap on Change Chat Wallpaper. This will allow you to customize the wallpaper of your chats. Step 6. Now tap on Set a Color. This option will let you choose a solid color as your chat wallpaper. Congratulations! You've successfully set a color as your wallpaper in Telegram. Enjoy a personalized and vibrant chat experience. By following these simple steps, you can customize the appearance of your Telegram chats by setting a color as your wallpaper. Setting a color as your chat wallpaper adds a touch of personalization and allows you to express your style within the Telegram messaging app. We hope this full guide has been helpful in assisting you with setting a color as your wallpaper in Telegram. If you found this video informative and enjoyed the tutorial, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy a customized and vibrant chat experience in Telegram.